2023 Toyota Camry. With less than 52,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.